If fluids could talk, what terminal flow patterns reveal about your business? What if the fluid flowing through your terminal could talk? What stories would it tell about your operations, your efficiency, your shift, every valve change, every surge and slowdown? Fluid movement captures more than product delivery. It reflects the inner pulse of your business. Flow patterns aren't just technical metrics, they're behavior signals. Flow is data, flow is intelligence. Sudden drops in pressure, delayed throughput, uneven tank levels, to the untrained eye, these may seem like minor fluctuations, but to a system that listens, they signal deeper stories. Small blue diamond equipment strength, small blue diamond process inefficiency, small blue diamond operator habits, small blue diamond or even early warning. When you treat flow behavior as intelligence, not just logistics, you move from reacting to predicting. You optimize shift schedules, you streamline turnaround times, reduce unplanned downtime, observe, learn, adapt. At the business level, terminal flow behavior helps drive decisions, from forecasting supply chain disruptions to identifying investment priorities. Your terminals flow data than ever before. If fluids could talk, they'd say more than you think. They'd reveal the heartbeat of your operations, drop by drop. Are you listening?